Well, what's up guys, Chris Kodiak here. You're watching another video on how to survive on Stranded Deep. And if you're watching today, you're probably trying to figure out what to do if you find yourself poisoned. A couple things can do that to you on the island. It's going to be snakes and sea urchins in the water, lionfish and sea snakes among some other things. But if you do find yourself poisoned, typically a little message is going to pop up. The screen's going to get a little green. If you didn't notice the screen turn green when you bumped into something, you can check your watch. You'll have some blisters on your arm, or under status effects it'll say that you're experiencing poisoning currently, and your food and water levels are going to drop significantly. It's going to be pretty difficult to keep those maintained. And from what I've known, or what I've seen, the current update has not changed, but there is no way to fix this. You can't wait it out. It will be continually happening to you, and that can get kind of frustrating on the game. What you're going to be looking for is a pipi plant. Now there's going to be green bushes here, little green grasses on the ground, little circles of green grass. At the center of some of them, you'll notice it'll have a pipi plant here. You're going to want to go ahead and collect the pipi plant. You used to need 2 of them, but now you only need 1. You're also going to need a coconut and a flashing. So we're going to go ahead and, not a flashing, a lashing. So we're going to go ahead and make a lashing. And then with the coconut and the lashing, you should be able to make a coconut flask. Go ahead and craft yourself a coconut flask and combine that with the pipi plant to make your antidote. If you go ahead and drink your antidote, you should notice that your status effect has been cleared and you are no longer poisoned. Hope this helped. If you guys want to see anything at all, go ahead and hit the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.